Alright, we're going to do some driving practice here. Dalton's not driving this. This is going to be an obstacle for some parallel parking practice. We're going to see how he does. Hopefully he doesn't tear up my truck. Alright, Dalton's doing some parallel parking. Actually using my truck for batting practice. He's going to hit that trash can. Nope. But he was super, super close. Alright, we've been parallel parking. We've been, I don't know if that helps me because there's no light in front of my face, but we've been parallel parking. We've driving around town. We've done some rain. So he's doing really well. Do you think you're ready for a license tomorrow?
Uh-huh.
You gonna pass your test?
Definitely.
So don't be lying to the viewers. You're gonna pass the test?
Yes.
You don't want to come back on here tomorrow and be like, I didn't pass my test. You're ready?
Yes.
All right, man. See y'all tomorrow.